we're now going to learn how to make your object work with these square brackets. So again, here is our deck. We don't have a nice representation, so we can look at deck.cards. Now we know we can slice this, okay, we can get the first 5 and so forth. We can, use these square brackets to select even a single card, maybe the last 10 in the deck, whatever you want. You can use all the rules over here that for the square brackets. Now, what we can do is make our deck class work so that you can just use the square brackets directly against the object itself and not go into cards. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. So we're going to just copy and paste our deck class like this. And the way to do that is by defining this getItemSpecial method like this. And it's going to accept one argument. In the documentation, it says key. You can make this whatever you want, but this will represent whatever is passed in here. So you can sort of think of this as like a function, or sorry, right here. It's going to take that. In this case, it's going to take this slice as an object. And so then we can use that same slice. We'll say return self.cards. And we'll just forward that slice or whatever it is. It could be an integer like this. And it'll return a list of cards that are sliced. So it'll just save us from doing dot cards like this. So basically what this method is doing, it's saying, hey, pass this on to deck.cards like that. So just saving us a little bit of time. Let's do this one more time. So here we go. So we're going to create a new deck object. And now we can slice like this, or we can just put in a single one. Let's look at the 20th from the end and so forth. So that's pretty cool. You can make your object work with the square brackets by defining this getItemSpecial method. Again, there's double underscores before and after it.